His Grace, Dr. Philippos Mar Theophilus Metropolitan, a theologian, an advocate of social justice, and an ambassador of the Church, served as the Metropolitan of Angamali Diocese and later the Bombay Diocese. He was also the president of NJCSN, the architect of the modern Orthodox Theological Seminary, and represented the Malankara Church at a global level through WCC. Join us on a captivating journey as we delve into the extraordinary life of this visionary and his unyielding pursuit of knowledge. Nestled amidst the lush landscapes of Kerala, in the quaint village of Puthanangiri Kottayam, Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni was born on the 9th of May, 1911, to Kora and Mariamma of the illustrious Kallupurattal family as their sixth child. He was named K. Philippos. From a young age, it was evident that destiny had chosen him for a great purpose. Fueling his thirst for knowledge, K. Philippos embarked on a journey of academic excellence. He completed his bachelor's degree in arts at Maharajas College, Cochin, and went on to pursue his master's degree at St. Augustine of Canterbury, England. Seeking further enlightenment, he obtained a THM from Cardiff University and a DD from Harvard University in Chicago. Deeply inspired by the faith of great stalwarts of Malankara, K. Philippos embraced the path of the divine. In 1929, he was ordained as a deacon by Saint Vaktasharil Mar Dionysius Metropolitan. 15 years later, in 1944, His Holiness Basilios Geevarghese II, the Catholicos of the East, ordained him as a priest. Father K. Philippos was soon handed the charge of his own home parish, Kottayam Cheriapalli, and served there for 12 years. During his tenure as the vicar, he founded two schools, St. Thomas School in Puthanangiri and St. John's High School in Yellikkal. Father K. Philippos, who was already involved in the affairs of Orthodox Theological Seminary Kottayam from his years as a deacon, was handed the charge initially as vice principal in 1960 and later as the principal of the Orthodox Theological Seminary. He spearheaded its revival and transformation with a systematic curriculum and a new generation of proficient theology professors. The seminary flourished. In 1964, His Grace secured the affiliation from the Serampore University, and in 1965, the 150th year of the seminary's founding was celebrated on a grand scale. Today, Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni is revered as the modernizer of the Orthodox Theological Seminary. Recognizing his unwavering commitment to the Church, Father K. Philippos was consecrated as a bishop by His Holiness Basilios Ogen Catholicos on the 24th of August 1966 at Kolancheri, with the title Philippos Mar Theophilus, bestowing upon him the divine responsibility of shepherding the faithful. Soon in 1967, Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni took charge as the Metropolitan of the Angamali Diocese. His Grace initiated peace talks in several churches due to the ongoing patriarch faction conflicts, for which he faced life-threatening situations and persecution. His Grace was instrumental in the construction and renovation of churches, especially for those who remained loyal to the Orthodox Church. Under his leadership, numerous educational institutions sprung up in the diocese. His Grace founded St. Basilius Hospital at Kotmangalam and hospitals in Chalad, Thurithipalli, and Pothanikad. His ambitious projects aimed at empowering the underprivileged, such as Balagram Orphanage in Velinchira, self-employment initiatives for the poor, and a school for the blind in Aluva. In 1979, a new chapter unfolded in Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni's life as he assumed the role of Metropolitan of the Bombay Diocese. Overseeing a vast region spanning Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, and parts of Karnataka, his endeavors included expanding the church's presence and establishing the Orthodox Church Center in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. During his tenure as the Metropolitan, His Grace founded St. Mary's Group of Institutions in Navi Mumbai, which now comprises numerous eminent educational institutions spread across the diocese. The contributions of Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni to society were greatly recognized by the government of Maharashtra, who honored his legacy by naming a main road in Vashi, Navi Mumbai as Dr. Mar Theophilus Mar. Notably, he facilitated the transfer of the holy relics of Blessed Alvars Mar Julius Metropolitan from St. Innes Cemetery to St. Mary's Orthodox Church in Raibandar, Goa, and revived the lost legacy of the revolutionary Alvars Mar Julius Tirumeni. Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni's passion for nurturing young minds led him to serve as the president of the Mar Gregorios Orthodox Christian Students Movement, MGCSM. His Grace had been involved in MGCSM since his time as a deacon and had served as the General Secretary of the same. During his tenure, he established student centers in Trivandrum, Kottamangalam, and Aluva, empowering the movement to become self-sufficient. His Grace also initiated the Mar Gregorios Rehabilitation Center for the Blind in Thiruvananthapuram, showcasing his dedication to charitable causes. Revered as the ambassador of the Malankara Orthodox Church, Philippos Mar Theophilus Tirumeni made significant contributions in the realm of ecumenism. His involvement began as a deacon in 1937 when he attended the World Conference on Faith and Order held at Edinburgh, along with His Holiness Basilios Georgis II. In 1939, he attended the First World Christian Youth Conference held at Amsterdam. His Grace played a pivotal role in the establishment of the World Council of Churches, WCC, in 1948 and was elected as the Secretary of the Faith and Order Division in 1952. His Grace's visits to the Eastern Orthodox churches resulted in their inclusion in the WCC, solidifying the bonds of unity. Recognized and respected by the Eastern Orthodox community, His Grace was accorded special privileges, such as being the sole invitee to the selection of the Patriarch, His Holiness Piman of the Russian Orthodox Church. His Grace attended WCC assemblies held from 1954 to 1974 at Evanston, New Delhi, Uppsala, and Nairobi. Additionally, His Grace represented the Church at the 1962 Church Central Committee in Toronto, the 1965 Oriental Orthodox Bishop Conference in Addis Ababa, the 1965 Leningrad Theological Conference, and the Christian Peace Conference in Budapest. His Grace's influence extended to international events, including an invitation to the Republic Day Parade of Romania as a chief guest, alongside the President and the Patriarch. His Grace was also keenly associated with numerous other humanitarian projects of the Church. He was instrumental in the development of Tadagam Bishop Walsh Memorial Hospital, Kolanjeri Malankara Medical Mission Hospital, and hospitals at Kottamangalam, Kunnamkulam, and Kottayam Cheriapalli. Indomitable spirit of His Grace, Dr. Philippos Mar Theophilus Metropolitan continued to inspire generations until his passing on the 28th of September, 1997. His final resting place is at the Trikunnath Seminary in Aluva. His Grace's life's work, a testament to devotion, education, and service, will forever shine as a guiding light for the faithful. The life and legacy of His Grace, Dr. Philippos Mar Theophilus Metropolitan, have left an indelible mark in the history of the Malankara Orthodox Syrian Church. Truly, a beacon of faith, compassion, and progress.